This is Caesar with small engine velocity, using my velocity to get to work, and at first for today using that velocity to get to the post office, because I am expecting something. The angled license plate mount bracket that I had designed, created by a subscriber on a DLP printer, 3D printer, uses an epoxy resin and UV light to cure a part, which is, I mean, they're like $3,000 or $5,000 printers, but man, it prints some good looking parts. Anyways, I am here at the post office. I'm gonna go park in my favorite spot. Snap, poof, I'm here in my favorite spot at the post office. You've probably seen me here before. Okay, now I'm gonna go to the P.O. Box. Snap.
So, that's another day.
Ta-da! Yay! Yay! Look! UPS tracking, small engine velocity to my P.O. Box. Black, August 7th. I don't know what all that other stuff is, but I feel like it's the bracket that I made. I'm going to put it in the secret storage bin. You know, it's not safe down there. Let's put it in the backpack. Ready? Ta-da! Well, I got what I was looking for in the P.O. Box. It is a favorite design of mine. I'd like to see it go on the bike. I'm so excited. Anyways, then I'd like to share with you guys the installation process. Anyways, I'm gonna go to the office and do an unboxing in the conference room to show you the cool part. Anyways, snap. Oh my gosh, how did I get here? Oh, well, if I'm here, might as well get. May I have a number 20 with sausage, egg, and cheese, and an orange juice to drink, please?
Anything else?
No, ma'am.
The second window. Thank you.
Thank you. I don't know what's going on. I'm warping around all over the place. Anyways, I'm gonna get to the front of this line. Snap. Whoa! I'm at the front of the line. Let me get my money.
You got the taquito milk?
Yes, ma'am. I'm sorry?
Ketchup or picante?
Picante, please.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Have a good day.
You too. Ta-da! That was weird. Maybe I can summon warp powers again and make it all the way to work. I just have to reach 18 miles per hour. Oh my gosh. I'm close to work, but I'm not there yet. The small engine speed force must be making me want to do the speed test between these two stop signs and see if I can beat 42 miles per hour. Alright, well, I'm going to do it. 42. New speed record. Anyways, let's get into the garage. Snap. Whoa. I'm off of the bike. That's crazy. Okay, well, I guess the Speed Force wanted me to have breakfast and park backwards today. Or forwards. Or frontwards, as I said when I was a child. Anyways, I'll see you upstairs. Let's use this magic one more time. Small engine Speed Force. Snap. Whoa! I'm in the conference room. Okay, well, I guess I'm supposed to open this. And it is sealed well. Everyone loves bubble wrap. And then oh, wow. Look at the quality of this part. This is amazing. Look at that. You can't even see layers. Look at that. Oh, wow. Hey, thanks, bud. This is great. So anyways, everyone's wondering, there's a CVT mount. Your CVT has a hole here and here, and it offsets, and you put a screw through, and it goes through here. The reason there's a hole here is just material savings, and then I made the hole adjustable for whatever the license plate might be, a little bit different size, and there you go. Anyways, let's snap our way to installing this on the bike. Ready and snap. Alright, I've taken the liberty to take off the old bracket, and here's the new bracket. Same thing, same shape, different material, much different quality as far as the build. Now, here is how the bracket mounts. If you look, it mounts here and here, so the offset for the mount is this little piece right here that creates the flat surface for this to mount to, which explains why you need a longer bolt on the bottom. I made sure to use a lock washer. So when it goes through, it threads. Same with the top. Had to get a little bit longer one. Thread it. Goes on like that. But before you put these on, it's best that you mount your plate first. Now that I got the plate mounted, I can put it on, put it back on. Tighten it back down.
It's so late. The cicadas are coming. Hurry!
What, Mom?
Cicadas. Down.
Is that what that sound is? Cicadas? My wife says that sound is cicadas. Alright, and in Texas, you have to have a license plate light, so double-sided sticky. Double-sided sticky is removing, installing it so that I am compliant with every piece of the law. This bracket, which this was PETG, now is with this 3D printed one from a subscriber that I'm very thankful for that gave me this. Anyways, thank you for watching my very strange, I'm cleaning up, for my very strange YouTube video today, my vlog of weirdness. Thank you for paying attention to the Speed Force. And if you're watching this, thank you for staying till the end. Anyways, this is Caesar with Small Engine Velocity. Thank you for watching. Like, subscribe, dislike, comment below. I love comments, and I will see you next time.